every day and every night, every night.
Get into the details of my dress. It's so pretty, guys. I'm recording. The whole world doesn't need to know that. Hello?
A6 Jack, 2 hearts, top pair for the cannon. Daniel checks, Harlow checks.
Russ is giving Lex a chance to fire at this.
He does, betting 2,700. And he cooks up a raise to 7,200.
Russ is in a good spot.
It's raining, it's pouring. Now I gotta get these off the line. Now I gotta get these off the line.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You needed me.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. No, that was awkward. Hold on. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Sam I Am. Thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. So, we're at the beach, as y'all can see. This deserves jacket weather. Like, this is jacket weather. Like, this isn't beach weather. It's cold. It's very windy and it's cold. People are still in the water, same way. Still in the water, same way. In the water, same way. But the bird them. Where them gone? Okay. Hey, the bird them nearly kill her a while ago. I did. Oh God. I wish I could have seen that a while ago. One bunch of birds just fly around her. Watch her. See them here? That thing. That bird right there. Bunch of them just a flock around the girl and I follow her. Call your fret. I go somewhere else. Coleman. To Coleman. Hold on, I stuck my chair. I stuck my chair. Feel like y'all fi go eh. That's how you want, but you can't touch me. Just tie the something around it. guys, so we leaving because number one, it's cold. The sun is not coming out. It's not coming out. So we're leaving. We're going somewhere else. Alright, I'll catch y'all back when we get there. If I tired one more time. Ooh. I have to wash off my slippers because be a sun. Watch it. Be a sun. I have to wash off that. They having a little picnic over there or whatever. Okay guys, so we're at the mall now. The outlets. Good is a shoe. What name again? Cinnabon. So we're gonna get some Cinnabon. Then we're gonna walk back over this one and meet my niece. We're gonna walk back over there and meet my niece. And get some cinnamon first, and then walk back over to TJ Maxx and meet her up. And then we're probably gonna have to walk back over here because she said she's gonna walk back over here. So that's what I was saying, that we could go there and then. I'm not walking this in a minute. I must lose about 5 pounds after this. Donovan, babe, you see the amount of walking me I do? Babe, you see the amount of walking me I do? Alright. Over here, pack up still. Well, it's Saturday. So Saturday it must pack up. They have a cart, I think. But I'm not sure. Oh, right here. Oh, you want Cinnabon? Oh, that's too sweet. I'm gonna get something from Auntie Anne's.
Alright, let me just get from it.
No, you can't get the Cinnabon.
Then on the cinnamon something, the cinnamon something.
Cinnabon. Sweet cinnamon?
No, but it could.
In my head, I'm thinking Auntie Anne's. That's why.
No, because the one over there is. Oh, no. Oh, do I want to press
I don't even remember where H&M is.
Because somewhere when I passed it, I was so surprised because I didn't know it was over there.
We in Carter's. Oshkosh and Bigosh. Huh?
Are you filming a video again?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yep. Serious as a judge. Oh my god, look at all the baby clothes.
You could wait for drink.
Oh my god. Oh, he's so cute.
Don't say what the hell.
Come, I'm gonna sit up here.
Don't say what the hell. Now he's in my cinnamon roll.
No, I don't need food. I'm starving.
Jenna, you want cinnamon rolls? Cinnamon rolls too sweet.
I just want it.
Come.
You can get
Jada, come on, this way, baby.
Jada, come. Watch. You better stop it, because you know who your mama is. We out here doing a photo shoot.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of me penis. Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. Wish you understand.
Every day and every night, every night.